Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both machines and the network. Turn on Wi-Fi, sign into your account, and open settings. This ensures discovery and permissions work. On Surface, enable the Connect app or install the wireless display optional feature because Windows uses Miracast to mirror or extend. Once done, make sure the source PC has the latest graphics and wireless drivers. Outdated drivers block connection. Now, keep both screens unlocked and awake so the next step, initiating the projection, will find the Surface fast. Now you initiate the connection from the host PC. Press Win+K or Open Project and choose Connect to a wireless display. The Surface should appear as a target because you enabled Connect earlier. Select it, then on the Surface accept the incoming request. This authorizes the session. Once connected, open display settings to set orientation, resolution, and mode. Choose Extend if you want extra workspace, because Extend treats the Surface as an independent monitor and preserves native resolutions. Make fine adjustments to scale and arrangement for finish by optimizing layout and handling common errors. Drag monitors in display settings to match physical placement. Set resolution to the Surface native value to avoid blurriness, and tweak scale if text looks large. If wireless lag or intermittent drops happen, switch to a wired option. Use Surface Dock, USB-C display, or a direct HDMI adapter, because wired video is more stable and lower latency. If it still won't connect, restart both devices, re-enable the Connect feature, and confirm both are on the same network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.